Welcome to our channel. Today, we're breaking down how you can apply for Costco membership discounts, step by step, simple and easy to follow. Step 1. Visit the Costco membership page. Go to the official Costco website and navigate to the membership section. You'll find details about available membership types and any ongoing promotions. Step 2. Choose your membership type. Costco offers Gold Star, Business, and Executive memberships. Compare benefits and select the one that fits your needs. Executive memberships often include 2% annual rewards. Step 3. Look for discounts or promotions. Check if there are any special offers, corporate discounts, or partner deals that can reduce your membership fee. Some credit cards, insurance providers, or workplace programs provide discounted Costco memberships. Step 4. Apply online or in-store. Click Join Now on the website to apply online or visit your local Costco warehouse to sign up in person. You'll need to provide personal information and payment details. Step 5. Pay the membership fee and receive your membership card. If you applied online, you can pick up your card at a warehouse or use digital options if available. Step 6. Activate any discount benefits. If you used a promotional code or discount program, make sure it's applied to your account so you enjoy reduced fees or extra perks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.